Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to decorate for example, a side table, a cozy little place in your home. Right now, my home has multiple rooms, but my rooms are not super large. So I pretty much like showing people how to decorate small places. So right now, I'm going to show you how to spruce up a little area in your home. If it's large, if it's small, pretty much I'm going to show you inexpensive ways to do that and to give it a high-end look for less. So I am Tay. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So you guys, I'm going to be taking a little break. I'm going to be gone for about 50 days. I'm going to take a break. My church has entered a sacred time, which is holy consecration, and we do 50 days of consecration. 50 days of just total sacrifice unto God. I'm going to post the links down below in my description to my church. So if you're not for sure or have never done 50 days of consecration or have never heard of holy consecration, I'll make sure I drop all those things down below. So I'm going to give you a quick history before we jump into the video. Okay, holy consecration. Pretty much consecration is an act by which a person or thing is separated from secular or profane use and dedicated permanently to the sacred by prayers, rites, and ceremonies. And the purpose of consecration. A lot of people don't know the purpose of consecration. I'm looking down at my notes. In a prayer, what is the purpose of a consecration? In a prayer of entire consecration, a Christian surrenders, this is what it means when a Christian does consecration, himself or herself to God in order to allow him to entirely sanctify his or her soul. A believer offers to God his time, his plans, his possessions, himself, his all in consecration. So pretty much I'm taking this short break to solely give all my attention to consecration, through fasting and praying and just seeking God, just making sure my focus is completely on him. I will be back. Consecration ends May the 28th. So I'll be back in June with more videos. So for the remainder of this week until Sunday, which is April the 9th, that's when consecration starts. It starts on Easter Sunday at 12 midnight. You will be receiving videos from me for the remainder of this week up to that day. So I pray that you all enjoy those videos, and I'll catch you all back in June. Let's hop right into this quick and easy home decor tips and DIYs. All right, everyone. So we're going to start right here with this tray here. This tray is a thrifted item. It's really a decor sign. It's an actual wall decor that you can put on your wall. I only paid $4.99, and this was from Hobby Lobby, and it comes in a set of 2, but I'm only using this little area. And I have this area is like a little chest area, and I have like clothes and little baskets and stuff down there with clothes in it for extra storage space. But the flowers right here are from Amazon. This right here is not even a vase. Keep all your recycled jars, like condiment jars or vases, like pickles or different little fruits and stuff like that come in nice glass containers. I pretty much just added some sparkly vinyl, my Cricut vinyl, to this particular vase, add some Dollar Tree ribbon to it, and now I have a very fancy, nice vase. Inexpensive, but it looks really, really high end. Right here, this is an old find. My husband gifted this to me some years ago for my birthday. This right here is a Dollar Tree find itself. I got that a few years ago. This candle, I've recently gotten this one. This candle right here, it came from Dollar General. And this cube, Dollar Tree had these cubes this year, matter of fact, and I made cubes for myself, for my mom, and my sister for Valentine's Day. And I put pictures of everyone in there, and I just thought this would be a nice touch to add. My favorite place right here. I love going to the beach, and I just thought that this would be a great thing to add to this little area right here. And this particular lamp right here, it's a Dollar Tree find. I had this lamp probably about 4 years. When Dollar Tree first started putting out these little lamps, I purchased them, and that's one of the old school version ones. The newer model ones are very like modern chic like, but I really like how this came out. I wanted a real cozy look to add to this little nook right here, that I little extra storage space that I have right here. This right here is from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has came out with this very nice farmhouse style decor, and it's very modern, and I really love that modern farmhouse look. So I tied this in with this decor itself, and I really love how everything came out. It looks great. If you have any questions, anything that you enjoyed about today's video, make sure you drop it down in the comments below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video.